Really need to figure this out, just you and I.
Sup cousins, so I decided to go on the whole rice water journey, and I just want to show you guys my routine with it and what it's done for me so far. So I just start off with a shampoo, and I usually use any random shampoo that we have in the house. Most times I use DIY African black soap shampoo, but sometimes I get lazy, so I just use whatever is there. And don't mind the location in this clip. It looks a little crusty, a little dusty, a little bit creepy, but that's because I was in the basement. Because that's where I wash my hair, because we have a big sink down there. So after I wash my hair, I shake it out. It's dry as it's coily as hell. But yeah, this is when I go in and I start sectioning off on my hair. I look ugly, don't look at my face. So yeah, I like to split my hair into 4 sections, and I'm just gonna use the rice water. So here I'm just doing a little length check or whatever, and as you can see, one side is shorter than the other, so I'm trying to fix that. So here is my rice water, and it looks kind of funny because the jar I used was too small, and most of the rice, oh god, I can't speak. Okay, the rice soaked up most of the water. This is from the last time that I did it, so I know better now not to do this. I use a bigger jar now, and I put more water and less rice. I don't like to use it by itself because I hear that it's really drying. So I'm taking my Bella Curls deep conditioning mask, which I got from Dollar General for like $5, maybe a little more, a little less, but it was cheap. And I am just applying it to each section. I could have been a little bit more generous, but it's alright. So as I'm applying it, I'm kind of also just finger detangling in a way, kind of a little bit, because my hair gets really tangled. So I'm just trying to make it a little bit easier for myself. Then I go in and I start spraying that water all over on the scalp, down my hair strands, anywhere I can get it, I'll get it, and I'll just saturate my hair. And then when I'm done, I just braid it up, or I twist it sometimes, and I continue onto the rest of my head. I just want to say that the shrinkage is disrespectful. Like, here I am with my little plastic bag, and I'm I'm doing it the little ratchet way, and I'm covering my head with a plastic bag just to keep the moisture and the heat kind of locked in. And before I put on the bag, I usually just spray whatever water is left. But I tie the bag on my head, and then I usually put a towel on top just to add more heat. So here I am after washing everything out. I go back in with my water, some leave-in cream by African Pride, and some Jamaican black castor oil, and then my raggedy denman brush. If you guys have any suggestions for a better brush, please let me know, because I know about like that Linman brush or whatever the hell it's called. I think it's called Linman, and like dupes for it. I don't know if it works or not, so let me know if you guys use it, because I need a new brush. But I don't want it to be like $20. I want it to be like a good $5 or less. So let me know if you guys know about any brushes, because the denman brush is not all that, but for right now it gets the job done. Alright, so I threw on that sweater from the last time I used the rice water just to show you guys the difference. And as you can see, I feel like the side that was shorter grew. Like, it looks kind of even now. So I think it's working. So yeah, I go in and I put the moisturizer, I put the oil, and then I either braid it up or I just leave it out and put it right back into a bun if my hair comes out nice, like it did the first time. In this clip, you see me with my little bun, my little puff, and that's because it came out like really nice that time. I don't know what I did, but it came out so soft and beautiful. Just beautiful. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Here's a cat that's on my roof. There's always a cat on my roof when I'm recording. But yeah, thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, everything, you know. Okay, bye.
Ever since I started using it, I realized that my hair is softer. Like, it's easier to manage. It's easier to like section and detangle and wash. Like before, it used to be hell just to wash my hair. Like, I used to hate it because I would have to detangle it, then I would have to wash it, then detangle it again with the deep conditioner, then detangle it again after I washed that out. Like, it was just too much. So it's really easier now, and my hair is softer, and I also think that the shedding has reduced like significantly. Like, I don't think my hair sheds as much as it used to. When I used to wash my hair before I started it, there would be like puff balls of hair in the sink, just all this shedding from detangling and whatnot. And I noticed, like, I didn't really realize it, but when I thought about it, I was like, wait, this is way less hair than I'm used to. Like, this is way less hair that I have to wad up into a ball and throw away that I'm used to. So I think it's actually working. So I'm gonna keep on it because I need that. I need that energy. Like, I can't with the shedding. Okay, I don't want that. I don't want my hair falling out every time I put a brush in it or whatever. Every time I wash it, it's just like mad hair loss for what? So yeah, I think this rice water thing is actually pretty damn good. Okay.